Pohela Boishakh সবাইকে. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Patricia. I created this look specially for Bangla New Year, which is Pohela Boishakh. Back in my country, when we celebrate Bangla New Year, Pohela Boishakh, we wear white and red outfits because these are the iconic colors for Bangla New Year. Today I'm wearing a white shari with red blouse, as you can see, and I will show you how I got this look. If you want to see this transformation, then keep on watching. I did my eyebrows and now I'm gonna prime my eyes with my concealer. And I'm using my Juvias Paste Concealer. This is in shade 18. And for my eyebrows, I used Anastasia Brow Pomade and Loreal Brow Pencil. I'm gonna use tiny amount of powder to set it. These patches are so soothing. I love this because this contains hemp and rose. For today's look, I'm gonna wear my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Sandalwood, which is a brown shade. Now I'm gonna take a pencil brush. I'm using my Sigma pencil brush E30 and take the black shade from my Huda Beauty palette, which is called Black Truffle. And I'm gonna create a graphic liner vibe. And blending a little bit. Now I'm going to use my Natasha Denona Chrome Crystal Liquid Eyeshadow. This is a golden shadow, and this liquid shadow is so amazing. You don't need to have any separate base to put this on. And taking the shade Cocoa and blending the edges. Now I'm gonna wear my favorite Kat Von D tattoo liner. And now I'm gonna apply my Huda Beauty mascara. For today's look, I'm gonna wear my Glamnetic lashes. This is in style Vogue, and Vogue looks like this. Very, very beautiful. First of all, I will wear their special magnetic liner. Lashes? No lashes. I'm gonna highlight my face. I'm trying to do it faster. I'm wearing my Juvias Place concealer. And using my damp beauty blender to blend my face, to blend the concealer. And now I will contour my face. I'm using my Huda Beauty Tantour. This is in shade medium, and I'm gonna use my Sigma 4D HD Precision brush. This product is so pigmented and deep in color, so you don't need to put too much. And my lips too. And I'm gonna use a damp brush to blend out my contour. And now I will use my Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation. This is in shade Macchiato. Taking a tiny brush and blending my nose contour. And I want a little bit highlighter. And I'm applying my Nars blush. And I'm applying powder all over my face. I'm using my Cavity Shade and Light palette to bronze my face. And I'm applying the highlighter shade. And I think that after I apply my setting spray, my highlighter works really well. So I will apply my highlighter now. And I'm gonna use the pink blush first to make it more intense. Now I'm gonna use the golden shade. And this is actually not my highlighter brush, but I love to apply my highlighter with this brush. And applying a blue pencil on my lower lash line. And over this blue pencil, I'm gonna apply the royal blue shade from my Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsession palette. And for my lips, I'm gonna wear a brown pencil first. And this lip pencil is by Lime Crime. This is in shade Cinnamon. I will wear my Lime Crime lipstick in shade Suedberry. So guys, this is the final look. I put on my earrings and my white shari. So let me know in comments below how do you like this transformation and how do you like this look. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you have not done yet. And I will see you next week. Bye!